All Business Media presents the Professionals Roundtable. Hear what's hot in the professional world. Timely topics to propel your career to the next level. Professionals Roundtable with Robert Wetham, exclusively on All Business Media.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the show. My next guest is based in Seattle, Washington. She's the founder and owner of Allon-Z Coaching. Please welcome to the show, Stella Loichot. Hi, Stella. So what is it that inspires you to want to continue to help people?
Well, it actually all started when I got really scared. For many years, I had kept my family in this healthy bubble. But when my daughters turned into teenagers, I realized that the wellness message that they were exposed to at school and in social media and in magazines and pretty much everywhere, this message was extremely damaging. So those kids, would go to a health class in high school, for instance, and they were told that they had to eat vegetables and balance their carbs and protein and cut back on cheese. And then they would go to the school cafeteria and be offered cheese pizza and French fries for lunch. So they had no clue what to do. They didn't know what to eat. So they were completely confused, and they started to feel guilty for not eating the supposedly right thing. So some of them would start working out like crazy to try and compensate. Others would go on diets, and some would just quit eating altogether. And that was a wake-up call for me. I realized that what those kids were going through, actually many adults were experiencing the same thing, and I had to do something about it. I had to let people know that being healthy is not about being good or doing the right thing. It's about creating a life that makes you healthy without having to think about it.
All right. So what is the best way for people to get in contact with you in case anybody wants more information?
Well, it would be to go on my website, allonzycoaching.com, ALLONSY coaching.com. And there is a contact form there. There's my email address. There's my phone number. And I usually try to be as reactive as possible so they can just reach out to me through the website. It's the easiest way.
All right, perfect. Stella, thank you very much for coming on the show today.
Well, thank you very much for having me. I really appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.
You got it. This is the Professionals Roundtable, All Business Media FM. Thank you very much for listening. We'll be right back after this.
All Business Media presents the Professionals Roundtable. Hear what's hot in the professional world. Timely topics to propel your career to the next level. Professionals Roundtable with Robert Wetham, exclusively on All Business Media.